So students, based on similar triangle property, we are going to solve sums from practice set 3.5. So first sum is if triangle XYZ, this sign is similar. If XYZ is similar to triangle LMS, write the corresponding angles of the two triangles and also write the ratios of the corresponding sides. When such type of question is asked, students, it is always better if you write down or draw the diagram. Diagram should not be actually perfect, okay, but it should be it should look like proper diagrams, okay. It should make sense, it should not be something vague, okay. So I'm going to draw a diagram. So they should be similar triangles. So what I'll do, I'll show like this. This is triangle X, Y, Z, and I'll show a slightly bigger, I'll show a slightly smaller this triangle. And that will be triangle LMN. Now you should know that the sequence in which the triangle names are written, in that sequence the angles are equal to each other. So your first letter is X and your first letter is L. That means X angle which is there, that is equal to angle L. Second letter is Y and your second letter is M. That means angle Y is equal to angle M. So like that you show the denotion of the angles. So X is equal to L, that means same symbol you have to give. Y is equal to M, same symbol, and Z is equal to S. That same symbol you have to give, so that the examiner will know that you have drawn the similar triangles. Similar triangles means what? The angles, all the three angles of triangle 1 is equal to all the three triangles of triangle 2. All right. Now, what have they asked? Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMS. They want us to write down the corresponding angles. Now, angle X is equal to angle L. First is that. Then angle Y is equal to angle M. You can also write down congruent. Congruent and equal is same. And finally, angle Z is equal to angle S. So angles are written corresponding angles. So one thing is done. And second thing is also write the ratios of the corresponding side. Alright. So X is similar to Y. Angle X is equal to L. Angle Y is equal to M. And angle Z is equal to S. So that's why the sides are similar in that manner only. So first XY should be similar to LM only. So similar means they should be in one proportion. So XY divided by LM is equal to YZ, write down second side, is equal to MS equal to XZ is equal to LS. So that is how you write down the corresponding angles as well as corresponding side ratios. So side ratios also we have written, and we have written the angles also. So this is how we solve the first question, which was very easy. Now let us solve the second question. Yeah. So the second question is, if in triangle XYZ, XY is 4 cm, YZ is 6 cm, and XZ is 5 cm, and if triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR and PQ is 8 cm, then find the lengths of the remaining side of PQR. Let us draw both the triangles. When you draw the figures, the sum becomes very easier. Okay, so first let us draw XYZ. So your XY is 4 cm, YZ is 6 cm, and XZ is 5 cm. So 6 cm is the largest length. So that will take in the base. XY is 4. So I will take like this. So this will be first triangle. So we can give this triangle name as X, Y, Z. Now you can see here XY is 4 centimeter, YZ is 6 centimeter, which looks greater length, right? So properly we have drawn. ये बड़ा दिख रहा है ये साइड से और ये साइड से भी, और ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है. Now we know that XYZ is similar to another triangle PQR. And PQR triangle में से क्या दिया है? We have only one length which is 8 centimeter. Okay, so let us draw that figure. बड़ा see here PQR XY, this triangle is given in this sequence. So XY के सिमिलर और प्रोपोर्शन में कौन सा साइड रहेगा? XY के प्रोपोर्शन में PQ रहेगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस में X एंड Y कम्स फर्स्ट या PQ कम्स फर्स्ट. सो यहाँ पे 4 सेंटीमीटर का डबल 8 सेंटीमीटर है. सो डेफिनेटली PQR विच इज दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द बिगर ट्रायंगल. ओके, सो आई विल ड्रॉ बेस इवन बिगर, बहुत बड़ा बेस. देन आई विल ड्रॉ इन रिलेशन टू 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड सो इट शुड नॉट बी एक्यूरेट स्केल में मेजरमेंट लेके नहीं ड्रॉ करना है, बट इट शुड मेक सेंस. ओके, कुछ भी फालतू नहीं दिखना चाहिए. सो नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी P, Q एंड R. ऑल राइट, नाउ PQ ईयर इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो ये 4 सेंटीमीटर से 8 सेंटीमीटर बड़ा दिखना चाहिए. सो यू कैनॉट ड्रॉ स्मॉल ट्राइंगल. ओके, स्मॉल ट्राइंगल में ये 4 सेंटीमीटर है और स्मॉल ट्राइंगल बनाओगे और वहाँ पे 8 सेंटीमीटर दोगे, दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके, सो डायग्राम शुड ऑल्सो बी प्रॉपर. So PQ is given as 8 centimeter and this two sides they have told us to find out. Okay, find the lengths of remaining sides of triangle PQR. So to start with, write down given. What are the given things? XY is equal to 4 centimeter, YZ is equal to 6 centimeter, XZ is equal to 5 centimeter. And triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. What do we have to find? Write down what all things you have to find out. You have to find out QR is equal to question mark and PR is equal to question mark. In solution, you have to write down triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. As soon as we say that these two triangles are similar, we can definitely write down their sides in proportion. So XY के proportion में कौन सा side रहेगा? PQ रहेगा, क्योंकि first in sequence XY आता है और यहाँ पे PQ आता है. So XY is in proportion to PQ, right? Equal to second side is what? YZ. So YZ के proportion में कौन सा side रहेगा? QR. So YZ is in proportion with QR. And finally XZ is in proportion with PR. So XZ is in proportion with PR. Now let us substitute all the values. Alright, so XY का value क्या है? See in given it is 4 centimeter. PQ का value क्या है? We don't have, we have to find out. YZ का value we have 6 centimeter. QR का value we do not have, we have to find out. So write down as it is. XZ का वैल्यू क्या है? इट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. एंड PR का वैल्यू, ओ PQ वैल्यू वी हैव, PQ वैल्यू वी डेफिनेटली हैव, इट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. ऑल राइट, एंड PR वैल्यू वी डोंट हैव. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू? यू कैन टेक 2 थिंग्स एट वन टाइम एंड सॉल्व द सम. ओके, सो ये 2 पार्ट जो है वो मैं पहला ले लूंगी. इट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर upon 8 centimeter. Centimeter if you cancel it is fine. So 6 upon QR. Okay, so this will be equation number 1. So now we can cross multiply. So QR into 4 centimeter, that means QR into 4 and 8 into 6. Now QR if I want to find out, 8 6 are what? 8 6 are 48. And यहाँ से 4, here it is in multiplication, here on other side it will be divided. So 4 1s are 4. Here 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So QR is 12 centimeter. So one length we have found out QR. अब PR अगर find out करना है, so we'll take these 2 things, 4 centimeter upon 8 centimeter and 5 upon PR. So 4 upon 8 and 5 upon PR. So this will be equation number 2. Okay. Now let us cross multiply. I'll do it on another page. So it will be PR into 4 and 8 into 5. So let's do it. PR into 4 and 8 into 5. We know 8 5s are 40 and PR into 4. Now PR I'll keep on this side only and 4 I'll take on other side, so it will be divided. So PR will be equal to 10 centimeter. ओके सो जब प्रपोर्शन में रहता है तो डेफिनेटली 4 का डबल क्या था 8. सो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे जो हम लोग का आंसर मिलने वाला था दैट वुड हैव बीन डबल ऑफ 6. सो डबल ऑफ 6 इज 12. सो सी वी गॉट योर 12 सेंटीमीटर QR. और यहाँ पे 5 सेंटीमीटर था तो उसका डबल क्या मिलने वाला था PR. इट वुड हैव बीन 10 सेंटीमीटर ओनली एंड वी हैव गॉट दैट आंसर. इट वाज 10 centimeter only, which the answer that we have obtained. All right, so this is how we solve the similar triangle sum, which is very easy. So please practice these sums at home and try to score full marks in these sums. The third sum which is there, that is for your assignment. So this is assignment number 1. The third sum you have to do it in your assignment sheets. Okay, buy different assignment sheets and do it in that assignment sheet. It is that sum is also very easier. So do that for the first assignment.